Are you a video editor and tired of wasting time importing files, dragging them around, creating folders, organizing everything? Well, I was, and that's why I created this. Let me show you the fastest way from shoot to edit in an organized way. I have an SD card right here. I plug it in. It automatically opens AutoMedia Pro. I start a new project, name it instruction, import the files from today only, and I want to launch Resolve automatically. Start. It copies 4 files. It created the folder instruction in my predefined folder with the predefined folder structure. It imports footage into footage, images into images, and audio into audio. You can also rename this if you want to. For example, footage into video, it will automatically recognize the new name. By the way, I'm not pressing anything. It automatically started Resolve and created and opened the project with today's date and the name we just gave it. Okay, it's done now. We have 1 file from Sony and 3 other video files, all imported into footage. If we create a new timeline from this, we can see there's different clip colors because it's smart enough to detect if it's a Sony file, it's a Canon file, if it's a DJI file, or if it's any other video file. And it changes the clip color accordingly. You can change those colors in the settings down below. This saves you so much valuable time, it's amazing. Then, let's say you have created some AI footage, some images. So you quickly want to get them into Resolve and work with it. Let's just download this image of a tree, for example. It usually goes into my download folder, but AutoMedia Pro just automatically organized it into the correct folder and automatically inputted it into Resolve. And of course it has a different clip color, yellow as all the images. Then let's say we animated this image and want to work with this file. Let's download it. Go back to DaVinci and there it is already in the footage folder. We can drag it. It's green because it's not a Sony, DJI, whatever file. It's a other video file. There you have it. This saves you so much time and organization later on. Imagine all the files you create with AI, it's trial and error. You generate so many files. This will get so messy over time. Then you can also create just a new project from within AutoMedia Pro. Just name it Test 2. You can create and open within Resolve. Bam. In Resolve. Test 2 and folder structure also test 2. Okay, so when you first launch AutoMedia Pro, you'll get this first setup wizard basically. So you need to choose your media folder where you want to save all your project folders. Then you can choose a subfolder setup. This is by default. If you want to, for example, change footage to video, the program is smart enough to recognize this as the video folder because later on it will separate all the videos, images, and audio into the specific folders. Then I want a date prefix for my project folder titles. Yes, I do. And I choose this format. Then for the auto import feature, I want to choose my watch folder. I use my download folder because that's where I download all my stuff and it's the easiest and best. And lastly, it asked me if I want to enable a hybrid or cloud folder structure. Let's leave this for now off and save and finish. And one more thing, if you first install AutoMedia Pro, you get those two files basically. The standalone program and a special DaVinci and AutoMedia launcher. So this should replace your normal DaVinci Resolve program or icon, because if you click this, it launches DaVinci Resolve and the AutoMedia Pro in the background. So whenever you start Resolve, whenever you want to work on a video project, it starts AutoMedia Pro as well. And if you download some footage or whatever, it imports it into the project automatically. Well, that's pretty much it. It's a small and handy software. You can try it out completely for free for 7 days and see how it changes your life.